Is in this session, we are going to discuss how people work in the industry in terms of the development and all. So let's follow that methodology and flow of it. How it starts, as you know, when you are working in the industry, source code management is one of the very important aspect of it. So as you know, we used different software as a service source code provider who allows you to manage your code over the internet. So GitHub is there, Bitbucket is there, GitLab is there. I hope you know all those things, right? Many more. Mhm. So most of the time, either you will use GitHub or Bitbucket, right? Sometimes we use GitLab also. All three are used a lot in the industry, and all are internally based on, any guess?
Git.
Git. Internally uses Git, right? Git is the software which manage your source code, which, yeah, but on top of it, this is the software as a service. It is based on SaaS model, which allows to use this tool over the internet, right? So in order to use Git, first of all, you should create an account, right? You know how to create an account? You can go and sign up it, right? So
Yeah.
everybody must have a Git account done. Then your manager will give you the, URL of your source code, right? And how to get it, I can show you, right? Give me a second. I can show you people, Java 2020, right? From here, you can clone any project, right? Help me. This one, you can click on it. It's fast. No, copy it. So here you have a different protocol, HTTPS, SSH, GitHub CLI. But I'm using HTTPS, right? Protocol and copy it. So how you can clone it? Any guess, guys?
Yeah,
Clone means you're
Nagan,
making a,
can you
Either
repeat that? I'm
terminal
sorry.
or website. There's in the URL directly, it has a button. We can download zip file also, right?
don't do that, right? Use this command. And in order to use this command, you have to install Git client at your computer if you want to use from terminal.
Do you
Guys,
mean like Git bash?
Yeah. When you install Git bash will be installed as a part of it. So you got confused or you understand? My dear and friend, you are not replying. I'm
We
saying to understand.
understood. Yeah.
Okay.
For the terminal.
Somebody was saying something. If you want to use it from the terminal, you have to install the Git. Installation of Git on Mac and Windows is cup of tea. So you first thing you have to clone it, right? Done. Once it is cloned, then second thing you have to make a branch. You know how to make a branch?
No.
Other people. Oh. So this is the, you know how to use this command, or I can show you practically also if you want, right? So you can go to the terminal. And you can go to any drive, mkdir, wrap free text, ram and all. Are you following me? I'm making the folder, right?
Yeah.
And in this folder, I want to clone my project. I can clone anywhere. It's not mandatory to create a folder, wrap free text. You can be anywhere. Command to clone your project is git clone. Can you help me? Clone means you want to make a
Download.
copy of it, right? Git clone. Anybody have any question, query? No. See, when you fire this command, it's saying clone into this project. Ram, if you do dir, right, it is showing the folder name. I want to go inside this folder. Allow me cd, and you can copy the project name. Hello. After copying it, if you use this command, you see it's showing all your folder names. Say you are following me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, look for it.
So this command is going to create a this command, first of all, clone it, and you are inside the project, right? If you want to know in which branch right now, you can use this command, Ram. So right now I am in which branch?
Master.
Master.
Master branch. Nice. So here, same thing. CD. I need to type the branch. I need to type my folder name. I hope I'm making myself clear. Yep. Next step is, suppose I want to work on some enhancement. Ram, what I need to do? See, ideally, when you work in the company, you are not supposed to make directly do change in the master branch. My
Yeah.
dear friend, you are not supposed to make any change in the master branch. Oh, nice. So where you will make the change?
In our
You
own
have
branch.
to you have to make a parallel copy of it. Who will tell me why we are not supposed to take in master branch? Because this master branch
It's
is
final.
it is final and it is used, right? So if you make in change directly in that, people will be in trouble.
Right.
Unless and until your code is final, you are not supposed to touch it. Okay. So what you can do? You can make a parallel copy of it. So making parallel copy of it called a branch. You have to make your custom branch. Which branch?
Custom branch.
Custom branch. And there is many ways to do it. You can make it from the GitHub, or you can make it from terminal. So I'm going to make it from terminal. Ready? How?
Yeah.
You would say whatever master branch I have, I need to make a
New
my
branch.
custom. So every company has its own convention to make branch naming convention, right? So here I'm doing git checkout -b. I want to make a branch, and branch name will depend on, suppose you are fixing a bug. Now, then what you can do? Bug
Book.
fix slash. Here you can write, there is some convention in a company, right? Sometime you can write here ticket number. What number?
Ticket number.
Ticket number, right? Like this. And so it's
So
all about convention. And there sometime we write ticket number hyphen functionality, which we are going to develop. Suppose I'm working on reset password. So you can give the small name of the functionality, right? Done. So when you fire this command, it is going to create a new branch. Let me try. Practically, I'm trying on terminal. Can you see this? Git checkout. I want to go to the branch. -b means new branch and branch name. Enter. After it, when you fire this command, git branch, it will show you the two branches. Can you see this? Master branch. And I just make a parallel copy of it. And first one is looking like green, means it is.
we are at that one right now.
Now you are in that branch, that's why it's looking green.
Yeah.
And you can use this command to check currently in which branch you are. Make sense, people?
So how would it know which one to copy from? So this time we made a parallel copy of master, right? But maybe in reality we have many branches and we have to specify which.
Yeah. Normally, you have to make a copy of your master branch. Most of the cases.
Right.
Other will depend on the requirement, but most of the cases you have to make from the master branch. Anybody have any confusion so far?
Is there a specific meaning of POEIE?
No. I said it is company specific. This is your ticket number sometime. Every company has their own convention, right? So when you join some company, you should ask like what convention is, or you can see some branch name which is there already.
That's not a short form of anything, right?
No.
Nothing. Oh, done.
Or what does the
Next.
hyphen B does? Check out hyphen B.
Yeah. -b. -b means you want to create a new branch. This is an option, right? What option? Creating new branch. You are creating a new branch from the current branch. Right now, right now I'm in which branch?
Master.
Currently, I'm in master, and so you are saying create new branch from current branch. I hope I'm making myself clear.
Yes. Sir.
Creating
So
new branch from current.
So after we do all the changes and we have to push it and we have to merge it also.
We'll come to it. So right now we have we have in Git, we have two kind of repository. One is called remote repository. Second one is called local repository. Let's talk on that. So this is remote repository.
Nagan, a quick question, please. So this creating a branch. So do we need to create the branch after we clone it on our computer, like the master?
First of all, first of all, you clone it. When you clone it, master branch will come. On top of it, you can create your own branch. Done.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
And see, when you create a repository over here, it is created in your local repository. Nice. It means we have two concepts, right? One is called remote repository. Second one is we have parallel copy of it that is called
branch.
Local repository, right?
Right.
So here you branch, you can think as a repository, right? So we have two kind of repository, remote repository and local repository. Important. Repository.
Isn't remote is in the internet and local is in your computer?
Exactly. Local means at your computer, remote means on the internet. And this local repository you can import in your Eclipse. Where you can import?
Eclipse.
Yes.
In your in Eclipse or IntelliJ, what your ID is. That's fine. This is important. I'm telling you, this much we have to understand today for sure. No choice. No if else but. Okay. Clear. So let's take this icon. Actually, from local repository, you can import your code in the editor, and this is called your local code, right? Local code.
We can
And
push from the Eclipse itself?
yeah, you can do it. In Eclipse, we have also plugin, Git plugin. In IntelliJ, we have Git plugin, right? So either you can use this, Git independently, installing it as it from the terminal, or you can use plugin as well. So it is up to you, right? Somebody like plugin, somebody likes, this terminal. I like this terminal because you can do anything fast, right? But you can do with the GUI also. It is all about in which you are comfortable, right? So between local repository and the source code which you have in your machine, there is a special area that is called staging area. Important, guys. If you understand this concept, whatever command you are using, that would be clear to you. Which area?
Staging.
Staging area. Staging area comes between your local code and local repository. So first of all, when you do some code change, right, it will happen at your local computer, right? Your source code which you have in your workspace. You can say it is your workspace, right? Local code means workspace. My dear, suppose you are making any change, right? So in this branch, assuming I'm making a new copy of it. Sir, you are not replying. What I said?
Making new copy.
Making new copy of it. So that 3. This one. That is here. If you make a copy, let's make a multiple copy of readme. You know how?
Copy paste.
Copy paste. I did it. I think I did very fast.
Copy, rename, and paste, maybe.
No, actually. Control C. Oh, can you see this? Many. So I have done changes, and you want to see what changes I have done, right? You can use Git Status. See?
Yeah.
It is showing red means this much file added. So I'm going to paste this command over here. Make sense? So when you use this command, it is showing untracked file. Untracked file means this file is present in your workspace, right? But you have to push these changes eventually where?
Into repo.
In
Master.
Eventually it should go to the remote repository. First of all, remote repository, then it will go back to the master. We'll talk on that, okay? Whole process. The first thing, in order to see my changes, what I have done, any guess? Git status. This command will show you what? It will show you what file is present in your workspace and you are supposed to push it. Fine. So here you can use another command, git add dot. Dot means you are saying I want to add my all the file from my workspace into
Local.
staging area.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
staging area. So let me show you why I'm using dot. Because I want to add all my file. If you want to add particular file, you can add the file name. So tell me, here you want to add a particular file or you all the file? Let's come over
All the
here.
files.
If you
Depends.
want to add a particular file, you can copy the name of the file, you can add it. But if you want to add all, then you can use dot. After that, when you use git status, it will show you in green color. Why? Because now it is in staging area.
Okay.
What I said? Now it is in staging area. I hope I'm making myself clear.
So staging area means it's ready to be pushed or ready to be committed?
Yeah. It is in between, right? Means it is ready to commit. You can think like this. So once your file moves in the staging area, we can use another command over here. Which command? Git commit. What this command does? This command push your code from staging area to local repository. Let me show you. Git Ram, are you with me? Commit.
Yeah.
Git commit. I want to commit my code from my staging area into local repository. -m. You can use option. This is the comment, right? When you push some code, you should write the comment. Make
Commit.
created multiple copy of multiple copy of readme file. You guys got confused or you are following me?
I'm following you.
Following you. After that, when you say git status, it will not show you anything. Why?
It's already
Because
committed.
this code I have already committed. It is not in the staging area, right? So when you
So
use
still-
this command, right? Let me write over here. When you use this command, your code is over here, right? But your code and branch is only at your local repository. So what you need to do? Next command. Next
Push.
command, you have to use git push. Git push means, Ram,
To
you
the
want to say, hey, I want to push my local repository into my local branch, right? Same thing. This branch, which I have at my local repository, I want to push to the remote. Can you do that?
Yeah.
So come over here and use git push command. See, when you are using this command, it's saying your local repository is not aligned with the remote repository. So guys, already Git is giving you suggestion. Can you see this? Copy and paste. Hello.
Yeah. Now it's
And
in the
after,
remote.
yeah, it is password protected. That's why it's asking for the password. I'm trying.
Okay. And in the remote, it will also make a new branch, right?
New
Or
repository. Yeah, new branch. It will make it. It will make a new branch. Okay.
okay, so first make changes and then add and then commit and then push.
Yeah, you should know this. Can you see this?
It says login failed.
No, that's fine. It is able to push my code and you will see one extra branch over here. Shall I show you? Here it's showing the 7 branches, right? If you refresh it, it will show you 8 branches because newly one is created. Can you see this?
Yeah.
And your branch name is bug fix. PY blah, blah, blah. No. I don't know which one was your branch. You
The
can
first
check.
one.
Yeah,
the
that
bug fix.
The bug fix one.
You can click on the branch also and it will show you updated 2 minutes ago by Java Hang 2020. So this one we recently created. Anybody have any question query?
No.
So we started step number 2, 3, then step number 4, step number 5, step number 6.
So, so there is a software called GitHub Desktop also, right?
You can use that also. That is a GUI.
When I used that, I never had to use git add or there was nothing. I just committed it.
Sir, GUI internally does the same thing. Why we use a GUI based tool? Because it makes your job easy, simple.
Right. Okay.
So that's what I'm telling you. But you will be in trouble when you are working with Linux or some virtual machine environment. There you don't have GUI desktop thing, right? Then how you'll do it?
Terminal.
So if you don't know the terminal, you will be in trouble. Got the point? Now, finally, what you need to do? You have to merge this branch back to master branch. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So in company, there is a concept of pull request. So what you can do? You can go to the GUI and you can raise a PR, pull request. Let me show you.
That means we're asking the admin to give access to merge into master.
You are just asking to, requesting to your manager, right? Hey, give you my code and merge my branch back, right? If it is okay.
Okay.
I hope I'm making myself clear.
Yeah.
Here, why is showing 5 pull requests?
Because 5 people tried to request it.
Again,
Just a second, sir.
this is how we submit.
Here,
You know,
I'll come to your question. Here, I'm going to raise a PR. Can you see my the way I'm doing?
Yeah.
You want to raise the PR, go to the pull request, and here click on new pull request. Mr. Important. And here, this is the base branch, right? And against which branch you want to raise the PR, choose it. Can you click
No,
it?
no, what is PR?
PR
Pull
means pull request. I'm requesting to my manager to merge this branch back to the master. So in base, you can choose master. Here you can choose your branch against which for which you are raising the PR, and click on the pull request. Can you see this?
Yeah.
And here you can write the comment, right? And PR is created. When
So
PR
now
is
the
created,
it's a notification.
yeah. And here you see you can mention the reviewer name, right? All these things. So automatically this request mail will go to him, right? Now your manager will come in the picture. What he will do? He can merge.
Nagan, can you quick repeat the PR? How to create PR? Like the quick one.
Yeah, I can show you. Not a problem. You guys do not much worry about it, okay? I can show you again and again, okay? So second thing is when PR is raised, right? You can go and check it. Can you see this?
Oh, okay. And you can
Something
approve or
saying,
deny.
you can go to the pull request, right? And click on the new pull request if you want to raise the PR. And here you can choose your branch, right? Against which you want to raise the PR. Can you see this? That's it. And click on the create pull request. And once you request when you make the pull request, this entry is there, right?
So
I'm
manager
clicking on
will
the
see
PR.
this screen, right?
Yeah. I click over here, right? And then your manager can, merge this branch back to the master.
How does he do that?
Yeah, I'm just going to check. Normally,
Maybe
merge
because
is there.
over
I'm
here you
telling
already mastered, that's why.
No.
So, but you are the manager, right here, because it's your GitHub. So how would you?
I think some other people have to ask for the pull request.
Exactly, but
maybe.
here I'm everything, right?
And
So here,
yeah, so you are
Just a
requesting a pull request for yourself.
see, when I logged in with my main
444.
credential, yeah, when I log in my Java Hang 2020, you know how to merge. Here it will be visible to your manager. Can you see this? Merge pull request means whatever changes you have done in your current branch, I want to merge into which branch? Master branch against
Master
which
branch.
you raise the PR.
So,
You click on
one
it.
question. So when merging, what if we have deleted some files?
No. We are not
Manager would
deleting any
check.
file. See, no, not deleting the file. After merging, you have an option to delete the branch, right? Because once your code is merged in master branch, you don't need this branch, okay? So there is an option. Either somebody wants to keep it for some time or you want to delete it. Make sense? So whatever changes you have done, you can see in the master branch because it is merged now. Hello? So in order to see it, you can click on the code. And in master, what recently I have merged. Can you see this? Get multiple copy of it. 10 minutes ago.
Sir, one question. So when we do merge, right? What if we have some changes? So it overrides, or what if we have deleted some file? It will delete in the master branch also, or?
Of course, man. Of course, it will happen. Suppose you have deleted some file from your branch, right? It is going to merge means you want to delete those files, okay?
So in the master, it will also be deleted?
Yeah. Of course, man. In master, it will be also deleted, but you can roll back it anytime.
Okay.
Don't worry. See,
That's why it's called
second one of doing is from here you can also make a branch, right? How? If you want to make against master, here you can type the branch name. Like you want to develop some feature slash. You can give your ticket number, whatever your ticket number is. Login. And you want to make a new branch, right? So you can click on it, or you can make enter. You can make enter. The branch is created over here, right?
Yeah.
On remote. If you want to pull this branch to your local computer, you can simply go and type pull. Anywhere you can do it, right? And you see, when I fire this command, git pull, my new branch is here. Can I go inside it? Yeah. How? Git. I want to go to the branch, not -b. -b means I want to create
Make
a new branch.
one, right? Okay.
Git checkout. I just want to go to this branch. Got it? So right now I'm in this branch, right? And in this branch, your code is same. Can you see this? Right now I'm in this branch. Okay. Here what I want to do in newly branch, I want to just delete every readme file, right? I want to make a multiple copy of this SQL file. Got my point? Interesting. I have created a new branch and I want to make a multiple copy of it. And I deleted the multiple copy of readme. Hello. So when you do git change, git status, what it will show you? It's saying these files are deleted and these are the newly file added, right? So you want to, first of all, which command you have to use? Git add dot. I am adding my everything in the staging area. Then you can use git commit -m. I want to commit with this comment. What? Deleted readme file. Yeah. Then you will do which command? Git push. When you push it, whatever remote repository is there, it is going to push into. People, you are not replying. Are you with me?
Yes, we are.
So if you see whole flow, my changes is here. Can you see this? Descent push. You want to raise the PR?
Yes.
But let me tell you, in the industry, you raise the PR after testing your code. This code, you have to test it thoroughly in the integration environment. I will talk on that, how to test and do that. Okay. Then you can raise the pull request. So when you request the pull, please review the code. Okay. You can put the comment, review the code. After that, just raise a PR. And since I am the owner, owner of this repository, so I can see this option, right?
Yeah.
And I would say I want to merge it back. Now, if you go to the master branch, right? So somebody was worrying, what about my README file? That's gone. Can you see this? Those files are gone, and new files are new files are there for this script. I hope you understand this much.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, this is little bit introduction about Git. Tomorrow, I am going to talk about once you push your code in remote repository, how to test your functionality, right, before raising the PR. So tomorrow we'll talk about concept of Jenkins and all. I will tell you what Jenkins is, what is the use of it, right? What are the different things we do with Jenkins in the industry?